Hi friends, now I am going to show you Beetroot Mango Pickle. The process of making this pickle is very easy and tasty also. Just you need to take care of cleaning and moisture. Everything should be clean and dry. Ingredients for Beetroot and Mango Chutney. Raw mango 1. Beetroot 1. Fenugreek powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic 1. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 4 teaspoons. Salt. Oil. Beetroot and mango chutney preparation. 1. Before chopping mangoes and beetroot, they should be clean, completely dry. 2. Cut mango and beetroot into small pieces. 3. Grind beetroot and mango pieces into semi-mixture and take them into big bowl. 4. Take garlic, salt and grind them into paste and add them to bowl. 5. Now add fenugreek powder, turmeric, chili powder and mix very well with spoon. 6. Now add oil and mix well with spoon. 7. Add the mango and beetroot pickle in clean jar close with lid. You keep mango and beetroot pickle in dry place for 1 day and store in refrigerate. Serve the pickle with meal or dosa or idli. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video.